Good morning to everyone. I am R.Maheswari, Assistant Professor of Commerce, SFR College for Women, Sivagasi. Today we are going to see about on the topic import procedures under Customs Act 1962. First introduction. Import and export of any country are subject to control for reason of revenue and provide protection to homemade goods and also regulate the development of economy. Custom duties are levied on goods imported into or exported from India. Import and export of goods take place by sea, air, rail or road. It can also take place through post parcel or as package with passengers. The Custom Act 1962 has clearly specified a set of procedure in respect of import by land, air or sea. Next we see about import procedure. The first procedure is arrival at custom ports or airports only. Under section 29 provides that the person in charge of vessel of an aircraft entering India shall call or land at custom port or custom airports only. It can land at any other place by accident, stress of weather or other unavoidable case. In such case, he shall report to nearest police station or custom officer. While arriving by land route, the vehicle should come by approved route on land custom station only. The second procedure is import manifest or report. Person in charge of vessel, aircraft or vessel has to submit import manifest report or import general manifest, that is IGM. In case of vessel or aircraft, it is called import manifest, while in case of vehicle, it is called import report. Third procedure is grant of entry inward by custom officer under section 31. Unloading of cargo can start after custom officer grant entry inward, which is granted only when berthing accommodation is granted to a vessel. Fourth step is unloading of reported goods only under section 32, 33 and 34. According to section 32, only those goods are specified in the imported manifest can be unloaded. Unloading can be done only at approved place and under supervision of custom officer. Next step is the filing of import of bill of entry, section 46 subsection 1. The bill of entry is a very vital and important document which every importer has to submit under section 46. The bill of entry should be in prescribed form. The bill of entry should be submitted in quadruplicate. Original and duplicate are to be submitted to customs. Triplicate is for the importer and a fourth copy is needed for bank making remittance. Bill of entry contains details in the form of importer's name, address, vessel name, line number, port of shipment, country of origin, nature of quality of package, custom tariff heading, exemption notification number and the total duty. Next, assessment of goods. Appraiser of the customs department assesses goods on submission of bill of entry. In the process of assessment of customs department may check the following documents: invoices, packing specification, payment particulars, catalogs, broker's note, insurance policy. These documents will be helpful in proper classification and valuation of the goods. Next, approval of assessment. The assessment has to be approved by assessment commissioner if the value is more than rupees 1 lakh. After the approval, duty payable is typed by the pinpoint typewriter so that it cannot be tampered with. Next, customs clearance from viewpoint of import policy. Custom authorities also check goods from the other acts regulating imports and export. Import license and import restriction are checked. Each importer and exporter has to get import and export code number from the Director General of Foreign Trade. The code is based on the PAN of income tax. Next, payment of duty. If the goods are to be removed to a warehouse, duty payment is not required. However, if the goods are to be removed for home consumption, payment of custom duty is required. Duty can be paid either in cash or through PD account. A PD account means provisional duty account. This is a current account. The importer pay lump sum amount in the account and get credit on the amount paid. The importer can pay custom duty by debiting the amount in PD account. If the importer does not have an account, he can pay duty by cash using TR6 challan. If the payment is made by check or demand draft, the payment will be deemed to have been received on the date on which check or deed is cleared. The payment is to be made within 5 working days after the bill of entry is returned to the importer for payment of duty. If the duty is not paid within 5 working days, interest is chargeable. The last procedure is disposal if goods are not cleared in 30 days. According to Section 48 of the Customs Act, goods must be cleared within 30 days after unloading. Custom officer can grant extension. Otherwise, goods can be sold after giving notice to importer. However, animals, perishable goods and hazardous goods can be sold at any time even before 30 days. Thank you. These are the various import procedures under Customs Act 1962. Thank you.